Hello friends, my name is Gaurav. Welcome to my channel. In this today video, we are going to solve linked list related problems provided by Leetcode. If you haven't watched my old videos related to linked list, it's recommended to check those videos. The link is in the description. So let's start the today video. Reverse linked list. Given the head of a singly linked list, reverse the list and return the reverse list. So in this example, we can see we have our nodes where we have a sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we are going to reverse this in the output called 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So let's see how we're going to achieve this in C#. We already have a class called link node provided by Leetcode, and we are going to have write this method called reverse list, which return the head of the node. So let's start the coding. We are going to first initialize 3 pointers to take the track of the current node, previous node, and the next node. So list node current, this should be equal to head because we're going to start from the head. The list node would be previous node, which should be null by default right now, and we are going to take another list node called next node, and this would be null as well. Now we are going to iterate through the list until the current node is null. It means it's reached to the end of the list. So while current is not equal to null, so what we're going to do, we are going to save the next node before modifying the pointer. So next node would be current.next. We are going to reverse the direction of the pointer. So current.next is equal to previous, which is null by default right now, and in the next loop it would be assigned the next one. Now previous would be current, and the current would be next node. We are going to iterate using the while loop until the current node is null. Here we are going to save the next node before modifying the current pointer. We are going to reverse the direction of the pointer, and in this scenario we are going to move to the next pair of the nodes. After the while loop, we are going to return previous. At the end of the loop, previous will be the new head of the reversed list. So let's run this code and see if it's working. So as you can see, our expected answer is matched. Let's try to submit this code, and we can see it's expected by the Leetcode. Please try to solve this problem in any other language like C++ or JavaScript, which is supported by Leetcode. Or if you have any other better solution to solve this problem, please enter your code in comment section, and I will definitely check and give my heart if the code works perfectly. I hope you enjoy this video, and I will see you in the next video.
If you enjoyed the video, please do like the video and share with your friends. For more interesting videos, please do subscribe the channel.